All right, anyway, Red Eye has obtained tape of Andrew Sullivan being fed after the show. Let's take a look. He is adorable. We don't have much time here because we wasted it on you-know-who. Brooke, what drives this opinion, in your opinion?
Well, first of all, we're not a continent with two oceans.
Yeah.
In between. That's ridiculous. Okay, this is the important point. The thing about the anti-Americanism in the left is that they never tell us what this post-American world is going to be like. They never tell us what the greater country is going to be like. Who is going to run it? Who's going to be, you know, our counterpart? China, with all the death and the human rights violations? Is it going to be the EU bureaucracy with, in all its genius, you know, votes to make Islamophobia a crime? And it's this smug hatred, and it's not criticism, because if it was criticism, they'd say, you know, we make mistakes, I have faith in America, and I hope we can retain our status and do better. But they see our political system as this great experiment, and they want us to fail.
Exactly.
And they're so smug about it.
They all laughed. They all laughed when he said it. Oh, I'm over here on the other side of the pond making fun of the greatest country that ever was and kicked your ass like 100 years ago, I think. Brooke,
yes.
What do you think is going to happen here? Is he ever going to get out of the airport?
Yes, I think he will. I think the Russians are going to play with him a little bit. But from a legal perspective here, if I may, I think there's a really important issue here that we're missing because we're focusing so much on where Snowden is going to reside and how he's avoiding extradition. And that is what the government did, what he leaked, and what our Fourth Amendment protects in the digital age. And because we have this court order now that he leaked showing that the government is basically dragnetting all of the telephony metadata, I believe is how you pronounce it.
I like it.
You know, was that French?
I was saying telephony metadata until someone told me that's the wrong way to pronounce
telephony metadata.
Basically, in a nutshell, and I just wrote an article about this called Privacy in the Digital Age. The Supreme Court has interpreted that we have no Fourth Amendment protection to anything that we have voluntarily revealed to a third party. And when we have everything, every communication goes through third-party providers. Everything you upload to iCloud, everything. Does that mean that we have no Fourth Amendment protection anymore to all our electronic communications?
I actually agree.
That was in a nutshell?
Yeah.